Hi, my name is Lydia and I am a coach here at MathsandEnglishnet. So, MathsandEnglishnet, who are we? Well, we are a group of young graduates and we've come together to help support you and give you the best possible support that you need to get the best possible grades. We want you achieving those top grades, and with us, we design our kind of tutor lessons or our sessions, we design them to be personalised to each student. We use modern media platforms and we design every resource for you, which will be your own personalised resource to use. We use whiteboards in our online sessions, we use file sharing, chats, video calls, so I can see you, you can see me. It's really easy to set up, very kind of, we can, if we need to cover something different, which isn't on the plan from our schedule, we can literally just get it onto the platform within a few seconds. It works so good, and our students actually prefer online tutoring towards face-to-face at home, which is great because I find it gives you more flexibility, it gives us more flexibility, and it works for both kind of your coach and the student. So yeah, we love doing it. It makes us feel so good when we can see our students improve weekly. And we feel like we're in this unique position for you because we have been through the education system. We've started from primary school and we've taken our GCSEs, we've taken our A-levels, we've been through uni. So we know what it's like, we know what that pressure is like. We know what stresses you might feel. We know what it's like to do revision for an exam. You might have revised so hard for your maths exam and yet still not get the grade you want. So we want to be able to give the support to you so that your revision is effective, your work is effective, and that effectiveness is going to give you those top grades. So yeah, please come and check us out. We have got a Facebook page and you can find us at www.MathsandEnglishnet. We upload Facebook videos to MathsandEnglishnet if you just type it up on Facebook, and we have our community of students on there. So we have students who are homeschooled, we have students who go to schools, we have students that go to public schools, students who go to private schools, but we are all one big community in MathsandEnglishnet, and we are always trying to give our best to help support you and get those best possible grades.